Welcome back in the new video. So in this video I'm going to show you what is playbook and how we are going to use that playbook. So basically playbook playbook is basically a file written in YAML format, and it contains one or more tasks. So it may be 2 or 3 or 100 of tasks that needs to be performed, and that is written in a single file. So yeah, so that may be in the single file, but yeah, that there may contains many files, and it is written in YAML format. So before before going to show you how we can write the playbook, let me show you. I am currently at this folder, home DevOps playbook folder, and so let's tune one thing that will make our task to write playbook little bit easier. So inside the home directory of this DevOps user, I am going to create a file called bim.bimrc, and then I'm going to add few parameter. So what this will do is, if I hit tab button, so it will move 2 space ahead, and what this cursor column will show me is the cursor, the location at which the cursor is located, so that it will help us to write the playbook syntactically correct. So save the file and hit enter. Yeah, so we are going to deploy web server using playbook. So before deploying the web server using playbook, what are the tasks that we normally do on the Linux to install the or host the website or install the web server? So first we install the yum packages, right, for which and second task we do is start the service, that is httpd service. So first we install the yum package, http packages with the help of yum service, yum method, and then package management method, and then second we start the service. Third, we allow the port with which the web server will work, and then we create a index.html file. So these are the steps that we normally do. Now so this 4 step we do when we use a normal Linux command, but how we are going to implement it in the Ansible? So for that, so yum, to install the package, there is module called yum inside the Ansible. Similarly, to start the service, there is module name called service in the Ansible. Similarly, to allow port, the module name is firewall D inside the service. Now to copy the index file that is present on my local system, that is control node, I need to copy on the var www.html folder of the remote web server, right? For that, the module name is copy. Similarly, so to test the website if web service is running correctly or not, we normally use curl, right, on the Linux terminal or bash shell. So for that, the equivalent is module is URI, right? So currently I'm at home DevOps playbook, so I'm going to write a playbook. So the playbook name would be web server.yaml, right? So the playbook is written in YAML format. Now first I need to give the comment of the playbook. So I'm given the command deploying web servers using Ansible playbook. Next parameter is host. So on which remote managed host I'm going to perform the task. So suppose I'm going to perform the task on suppose web servers, then I will provide this one. If I need to do this on the web servers as well as dev group as well, I can specify with comma or colon. So if I need to do the same task on all hosts, managed host, I can provide the parameter all. But for now I'm going to do this on the web servers. So if you see here, inventory, we have a web server which has prod as children and prod has 2 hosts. So I'm going to, now I need to specify the task. Now our next task would be to install the package, HTTP package. For that the command is ansible doc and the module name is yum. So hit enter and search for parameter string example. Let's copy this yeah. So since I'm on console, so copy and paste it. Now let's manage the indentation. Yeah, so installing the latest version of Apache, and the name is Apache, state is latest. Now the next task is to start the service. For that the module name is let me close this tab. Let me open the new one. Ansible doc and the to start the service, the module is service. Now check the example. So let's copy this and paste it here. So let's manage the indentation again. Yeah, so name httpd state started, and I'm going to enable yes. So what this will do is on the next reboot of the system, it will automatically start the service, httpd service. Now I want to allow the port for which the module is firewall D. Search for example, copy this and paste it here. Now manage the indentation. So since I'm going to use the port S80, that is HTTP, so I will put the service HTTP, that is port 80 TCP, permanent true, state enabled, and I will add here one more parameter. Yeah, that is immediate, so that it will immediately be in the effect after this playbook run. So immediate is true. Now next, our last task is to copy the index.html. So for that we have the module name called copy. So I will just copy this. I will not use all this parameter. I'm going to only use this parameter. So I will so source means the file that is present locally on my control node. So I will be writing that file here. So I'm just going to mention the file name, and on the remote location I will be writing the file at, and then so what this step will do is it will take this index.html file from the local control node, and it will copy the file to var www html index.html on the managed host. So this is all the task that we need to do. Let's save this one, and since we are going to use the local index.html file, so I will write here cat index.html, sorry, beam, and then I will write h1 tag, I will close the h1 tag and then save the file. Now, so if you see here, now we have index.html file and web server YAML. So now to run the to write on this YAML file, Ansible -playbook webserver.yaml --. So it will check the syntax of the YAML file if that is correct or not. So now I am going to execute actually this playbook. So gathering fact, so yeah, 103 and 104. Now it is going to install the latest version of Apache, that is httpd package. Yeah, so it is installed on 104. Now it will be installing on the 103. So installing the package may take time and depends on the internet speed of the internet connection. Yeah, so install on both the system, starting the service. Now httpd service started, now allowing the port and both, now the copying the index.html file. Yeah, so the playbook is now successfully executed. Now let's verify if that is running on the remote host or not. So for that we can use curl http, and we have used web servers, and that is inside production prod, and the host are 1.103. Hit enter. If you see here, I think I have done some mistake while writing the tag, but yeah, we are getting the things that we have written in the index.html file. Similarly, inside this one as well, 104 and 103, the web server is running.